Do you want to learn how to create or generate a thumbnail on Pikzels AI? In this video, I'm going to help solve your problem. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's get to it. There's a link in the description so you can follow along with that link, and I may get a small commission if you buy any of these paid plans on Pikzels AI. First, you need an account on Pikzels, so click on try for free. You can generate your first 5 thumbnails for free, no credit card is required. Once you've signed up, you'll be taken over to this page where you can start a new chat. It's their own dashboard that they have created. Before this, you need to join their Discord server to generate thumbnails. Now, instead of that, they have created this whole website where you can generate thumbnails. So here, start a new chat. And then in here, you have got these 3 options. For these 2, I've created separate tutorials on it. You can check it out at the end of this video. There will be a playlist on the right. I will have those tutorials inserted in that playlist, so you can check it out. For this video, we're going to select this first one, which is thumbnail, and we're going to type a prompt here. They give you these helpful prompts so that you can take them as an example and make something new out of it. Now, one thing that I've found is if I want to use this example, I cannot choose it, right? But what you can do is open up snipping tool on your computer and click on new, and whichever prompt you like, just take a snip of it and then go over to ChatGPT. Inside here, you can insert the image and then you can ask it to give me thumbnail idea AI prompts like this format, something like this. And it's going to give you all these different prompts based on that style. Just like that, I also asked for 2 more and I've got so many different AI prompts. Now what you can do is take one of them like this, copy it, go back to Pikzels, and inside here in thumbnail, paste it. Now click on generate. Each generation will take in 10 credits because I'm on the ultimate plan. That's why I got 2870 credits left. I've already generated some thumbnails in Pikzels, but you get around 3000 credits in ultimate plan. Now click on generate. And it's going to start generating the thumbnail. And just like that, our thumbnail has been created with AI using Pikzels with this prompt that I got from ChatGPT. Now there are some options here. You can download it, redo it, edit it, or face swap it. Face swap is where if there's a face in the thumbnail and you want to put your own face on it, you can do that. I have a separate tutorial on this. Now there's an edit option, so you can edit it. So maybe I want to see the front view of Sonic. I'm just going to say front view of Sonic and generate. And there you go. Our Sonic is now facing towards the screen, which is really cool. And you can keep editing it, but it takes in 10 credits each time. There's also a redo button. So for example, you may find that there's something wrong with the thumbnail. You can just click on redo and it's going to start creating the thumbnail again. And there you go. It looks much, much better compared to the last one. This one, it looks much better. And now you can use this for your YouTube thumbnail. And that's it. This is how you can create or generate a thumbnail on Pikzels. If you want to learn how to use these 2 features, which is recreate and face swap, you're going to see a playlist on the right. Click on it and then find these tutorials on it. If this video helps solve your problem, make sure to go through my link and buy a plan from here, which is going to help me out with a small commission.